Regions Arabic that famous with industry perfumes. She region the East Middle and North Africa. And from countries in this is amazing regions that famous with her perfumes Egypt and Morocco and Tunisia and the Kingdom Arabic Saudi Arabia and the Emirates Arabic United. Enjoy this is amazing countries on the date long and production perfumes high the quality using ingredients natural like roses and jasmine. What is it methods industry perfumes? There are many from roads different for industry perfumes such as 1. Extraction oils the basic, complete extract oils the basic from sources natural like the flowers and herbs fruits and wood and others, on road distillation or age or methods other. 2. Mixing oils the basic, complete mix-up oils the basic extracted together to create smells farida and complicated. Complete investigation that from during experiences and tests to find out installation ideal for oils. 2. Addition solvents, complete addition solvents like alcohol or oils vegetarianism for oils the basic for helping defrost it and fumigating it when used perfume. 3. Installation. Complete mix-up oils the basic and solvents in proportions specific according for combination perfume desirable. Maybe also addition the components the other like water and materials clipboard and colorants and materials the adhesive and others. 4. Distillation and purification, complete purification perfume the mixture from during practical distillation to get rid from any impurities or oils not desired in it. 5. Storage, complete storage perfumes in bottles cork closure and in places dark and cold to preserve on its quality and stability it smells. Require industry, perfumes expertise and knowledge and accuracy in the job, and it is considered industry artistic gathering between science and art. Considered as perfumes Arabic from between better perfumes in the world, and it is famous with its smell unique and the distinctive. And while next some better perfumes Arabic famous one, Oud's famous perfume Arabi flavored oud rich and the strong. Prepare oud from more smells Arabic fame in all around the world. 2. Roses it is considered roses from more smells Arabic fame. It is available with several concentrations and types like roses Damascene and roses Turkish and roses Egyptian.